Dear learners, in the previous video, we have seen how to create the simple website by using WordPress.com. So, this is the website or the Scratch website that we have created. So, we have added here the logo, the name, and the image of the college. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to add more contents to your website. Now, if you scroll down, you can see there are some contents that are inbuilt. Now, if you want to change this content, just you can click on this and you can edit it by deleting this contents. So, I am just going to edit the content. For example, I am writing here departments, and you can change the image by clicking this image and click on replace image, and you can upload the image from your system memory. So I'm going to upload it. So just select the image that you want to upload. I'll select this and your image get uploaded. Okay, so department's image and the title. Now if you want to add the content below, you can add it, or just you can delete it if you don't want to add. So in this way you can in this way you can add the content to your website. Now here also I'm just going to change the name to be, for example, contact us. Okay, and I'm going to change the image of this also. Upload the image, upload it from your system local memory. So just 1 minute, I will select the image, contact us. Okay, now the image will get uploaded. You can see here the image has been uploaded. If you want to keep this, you can, or otherwise you can delete it. Just select it and delete it. It's very simple. So it will take some time to delete. You have to delete the contents word by word. So it will take some time. Okay. Yes, delete it. Now I don't want the third block here. So you can just select this block and you can directly delete this block itself. So see, I have deleted the image also, and I am deleting the block. Now there are only two blocks, departments and contact us. Now if you align the image, click on image, you can click on this change alignment and align it to the center. Again, align it to the center. Okay, next, if you don't want this, just press backspace button. Don't want, press backspace button. Okay, now if you scroll down here, again there are some contents that are predefined or pre-built. So just if you don't want this also, you can select it and just delete it. Okay, so just select it and delete it. If you want to add your photo and information, you can add, but I don't want, as it is a college website, so just delete it. Okay, so more columns if you want to add, no, so you can click on skip here. Okay, just press the delete button, again the delete button, and your columns will get deleted. Now if you scroll down again, there is some information, that is get in touch and opening hours. Now this information can be added by clicking on this plus icon and selecting the proper block that you want to add. So if you select this business hours, this opening hours or this column will be get added. And if you want to change this also, you can just change the content. For example, I am changing the email address here. Okay, for example, I will write my own email ID. Okay. Oh, just a moment. Yeah, gmail.com. Right? Now, if I want to add my own number, you can also add it here just by selecting the content and spacing the delete button. It will get deleted. Now, I want to add the contact number. I will add something contact number. Okay, and I will add something. For example, I will add here Kolhapur. That is my address. Okay. The timing hours, I don't want to change it. So I will keep it as it is. Now, this is the home page that you have created by adding some more contents to your website. Now, if you want to see this, the first thing that you have to do is update. Click on update button. Your website will get updated. All the contents that you have created will get updated. Once you click on update, your website will get updated. Now you can preview your website. You can see here your website will be something like this. It will look like this. So this is what, oh, just a moment. Click on home page. Now this is what we have updated into our website. Okay. Now again we are going to change some contents. So this is the home page that we have edited. Now if you want to add more contents to your site, then click on this W icon. You will be redirected to the main setting home page. You can see here the website title is dypctftp.wordpress.com. Now if you want to add more pages to your website, you can click on here site and click on pages option. You can see here the home page, blog page, contact, about. So these are the default pages that are present on my website. If you want to add more page, you can click on this add new page and you can continue to add new pages. Now I have already edited the home page. Now I'm going to edit the next page, that is blog page. How to do it? Just click on this and click on edit button. Once you click on edit button, now you are going to edit the blog page of your website. You will be redirected to the blog page of your website. So up till now we have edited our home page of the website. Now we are going to edit the blog page of the website. Again, how to edit it? The same procedure that we have followed to edit the home page of our website. Now let's see. Just click on this image. If you don't want, delete it. If you don't want this contents, so select it and just delete it. Okay. If you don't want this also, you can just delete it. Now I want to add this second content, that is to be block. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am just creating the page for the department option. So the first department is CSE, for example. Second department ENTC. Third department civil engineering. Fourth department mechanical engineering. Oh, sorry. Okay, mechanical engineering. The extra thing that are present, you can just click on this and delete it. Just click on this and delete it. Okay, so these are the this is the page that we are creating for the department of the college, different department of the college. Now you can see CSE is looking somewhat big and the rest of the department are looking somewhat small. How it is happen? Because it has selected to be heading. So how to change it? Just click on the content or the department name, click on this icon and go to the heading option, make it to be H2. Again same, go to this, make it heading and make it H2. Go to this, click on this, click on heading H2. Okay, now you can see all the names of the department are in the same format. Now, if you want to align, you can align, but I am keeping it to the left alignment. If you want to make it italic, you can make it italic. For example, italic, 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 or you can also make it as a bold. Okay. Now, if you want to change the color, click on this arrow button and click on text color. So you can just change the color of the text. You can see the color of the mechanical has been changed. So similarly, we will do it for ENTC also. Change the color text. Click on this option. It will get okay. Fine. Now in this way, you have created the block content of the department page. Now one thing is remaining, that is changing the name of the page. So just click on this departments and write out departments. Okay. Now click on update button. Once you click on the update button, the site will get updated. Click on preview button. Once you click on preview button, click on home page. In home page, we have created this, and now you can see here the second page has been added, that is departments. Click on this departments. You will be redirected to departments. So in this way, you can add the different pages to our WordPress website. Thank you.